tractor. What's up, Barbara? Okay. And you heard it from the mouth himself. From no. Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking down this tree. And it's a fairly tall tree. I'd say about 30-40 feet tall. And pan it upward. And that's about, that's about 40 feet. So, and it's going to be coming this way here. Basically, it's going to probably crack into a tree up. Okay, here we go at another angle. And that's the top of the tree right there. And that's the bottom of it where we're going to be cutting it. And we got a little bit of wind here, so...
Not bad, though.
Not bad.
Like it was today.
But yeah.
Oh my God.
That's where it is. And it's kind of angled toward those trees over there. So we're hoping it'll kind of just fall into place. Now, hang on, and we'll get you. Hang on, and we will be back. The guy's supposed to be coming to cut down the tree. And okay, guys, the friends are here, so we're gonna get going. And we got another one that we're gonna cut down. Is over here. That little branch right there that's coming that way. But we're gonna actually cut another one too. I'm gonna pick it up so we can get a better view of it. But it's kind of windy, so I'm gonna mute it for a bit. There it goes! Timber! We got it! And there we go. And this other one over here. And we're going to do that one next. And we got some sun glare going on here. Try and there we go. Okay, now this one, that tree's, when we cut down this tree, it's going to fall right on top of the other one, which is fine because we'll work out after we're done. Here it goes! Alright! And there we go. Timber. And next thing we're going to do is, cut this one branch right over here. We're going to cut that one right there, that branch right there. That one's moving. There it goes!
Let it go. That's okay.
Yeah, it's going to come this way.
Yeah, that's all right.
It's going to come toward us, so just leave it and we'll take care of it. Yep.
Perfect. That's what I wanted.
Perfect.
Get it out of the ground for you. I didn't like you like her up in here.
Alright. That's what he wanted to do, get it down on the ground for us. So until next time, guys, love it, share it, and we'll do some wood cleanup for these branches and maybe some fire going on in a little bit. So until next time, we'll see you later right here at JAlly Farms.